Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an evening routine video for you, just showing you what a typical evening looks like in the Corbett household. So starting off, I'm just showing you our dinner. We're having tacos this evening, and this is just one of my go-to meals that I do that my family really enjoys when I don't want to do anything extravagant. So if you guys want to see how we go throughout our evening, just keep on watching. So usually we like to sit at the table at least a couple nights a week, but tonight we just kind of got lazy and just kind of sat wherever we wanted. So we sat at the island while the kids were in their chairs behind us. But now I'm going to start doing the dishes and cleaning up the kitchen and move on from there. And right here is when I realized I completely cut off the top part of the soap, and y'all couldn't even see the label anyways. So I'm sorry about that. It is just the Palmolive extra strength soap. Now I'm just moving on to wiping down the countertops with my Method all-purpose spray in the Apple Crisp scent, one of my favorite scents for fall. So I don't usually wipe down my fridge every night. I just kind of noticed some smudges on it and that it was actually pretty gross. So I just decided to add it into the video as well. So now we're moving on to the living room, which is a complete and total disaster. It usually doesn't look this bad because I try to pick up throughout the day, but apparently this evening my son decided to take everything off of his train table to try to make a track on the floor and threw all the toys all over the place. So that's what we're up to now. So next we're moving on to tidying up the living room, pretty much just folding the blankets and straightening up the pillows. And of course, I had 2 little helpers that wanted to help me. But if you're a mom, you know how that is. Here is my favorite part of the evening, vacuuming. Not really. It is the part that takes me the longest because I usually try to do the entire downstairs minus the bathroom. And finally, the house is clean, so I can get started on bathing the kids and getting them ready for bed. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will like the video and subscribe to my channel. And I really hope to see y'all in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.